Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both pieces so attachment is painless. First, check stitch counts and adjust with increases or decreases so they match. This prevents puckering. Once aligned, position the head on the body opening and mark 4 quadrants with pins. Make sure to center the face and align any pattern repeats. Use a contrasting yarn tail to baste a temporary seam if needed. This secures placement and lets you check symmetry before final joining. You now perform the actual join. Thread a yarn needle with matching yarn and work mattress stitch through corresponding stitches on head and body, inserting the needle under the legs of the stitch rather than through the top loop. Pull gently and evenly after every few stitches so the seam creeps closed without distorting shape. Once done, weave in ends inside the head and body for a clean finish. Make sure to maintain the same hook tension feel so the join blends seamlessly. You complete the project by tidying and testing the join. After weaving in ends, smooth stuffing around the neck so there are no visible bumps. Add or remove fiber fill through a small opening if needed. Once done, stitch the final opening closed with tiny whip stitches and trim excess yarn. If you notice gaps or loosening later, make sure to reinforce the seam with a backstitch or a second pass of mattress stitch. This fixes weak spots without undoing your work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.